Ayan guys, oh, ang lalaki ng bunga ng apple. Pero hindi maganda yung bunga niya guys. Marami kasi insekto dito. But it's okay, nakapunta din dito finally. Ayun. Dito guys, oh. Yun yung ang dami, maliliit na lang yung bunga guys. Maliliit lang yung bunga, but it's okay. Ayan, that's all for this afternoon guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Please support my Facebook page and my YouTube channel guys. God bless everyone. Bye bye. Just oh. And guys, dito tayo sa ano ng mga ubas guys. Look at that. Ang daming bunga. Parang pahinog na siya. Hinog na yata yung mga purple. Ayan oh. Super ganda. Ayan. Eto pero hindi siya na-prone guys. Kung siguro kung pin-drone to, madaming bunga to. Ayan oh. Ayan, parang dalawang variety yata to dito. Ayan. Ang haba niya guys. At saka nandyan yung apple orchard guys. Ayan. Ayan, it's the apple. Kaso hindi maganda yung bunga niya guys. May mga insekto. May pa dito yung ibang variety ng grapes guys. O maliliit lang. Ayan. Yung mga hilaw pa. Ayan. Yung mga apple nila walang bunga. And here. Punta tayo dun sa vegetable garden guys. Nakakatuwa guys. Grabe ang daming bunga din. Once a year lang kasi ito nagbubunga kasi during winter wala ito. Yan, dito yung mga flower garden and vegetable garden nila guys. Yan. Here. Pero maliit lang yung area guys. Yan, nagdidilig yung ano din. May mga lettuce, onion, and some other vegetables meron dito. Yan. Yan yung mga kamatis guys. Oh, may mga bunga na. At saka eggplant. Ay, nagdidilig sila guys. Ayun, hilaw pa yung bunga. Ayan, ang eggplant may bunga na rin. Ayan. Ang daming bulaklak din dito. Ayan. May zucchini. Here, that's zucchini yan guys. Yan, nag-harvest siya ng basil. Nag-harvest siya ng basil guys.
Honestly, like, oh, I can, but again, I'm way
Look at the flower. Oh my god, it's so beautiful.
manage this and volunteers, right? And all that paperwork. It's really not my job. I'm a gardener, right? So, yeah, like I appreciate. I was talking to some locals, and we were talking about it, and they're like asking me lots of questions about rentals.
And I need to go na guys kasi susunduin ko si Mrs. Balik na lang tayo dito next month na pwede nang i-harvest yung apple guys. Ayan. Yes, thank you Lord. Nakavisit din dito ulit. Ang ganda. Ang ganda guys, diba? So beautiful. And dito tayo ulit sa apple orchard guys. Kasi yung sa isa kong camera wala na. Nag-stop na kasi pulo na. Ito din. Ayan guys, oh, look at the apples. Look at the apples. Ang dami. Here. Maraming puno guys. Kaso maliliit lang yung bunga. Hindi siya ganun kalaki. Marami din. Madami din yung bunga guys. that's all for this afternoon, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Continue to support my YouTube channel, guys. At puntahan muna natin dito, guys. O malalak, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Abot kamay lang talaga siya, guys. Ayan. Ito. Red na red. Diba? Naganda. Picture natin. Ayan pa. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please continue to support my YouTube channel. God bless everyone. Bye bye. Ayan, yung mga ano din dito, gulay. Okay. Ang ganda ng landscape, guys. Oh. Ang landscape, guys. Sobrang ganda. Yan. Ganda, guys.